I come back. Sivara va dedele ka va vuya Johnny va rwele beke ya byala ku ve ku ri hava mapa la kaya. Sivara va dedele ka va vuya Johnny va rwele beke ya byala ku ve ku ri hava mapa la kaya. Yo guys, as you can see, le hamkuli la nga kona. I don't know if you can hear me, guys. Welcome to Nkanelo Gingirkani. Hamkuli, they say if you don't have a mask, you can't be allowed to get in. So I'll put it now for the sake of getting in there. We are keeping with the social distancing. Mitwan picture itan ngat post alani ka Facebook nibla kun bulkele tayel. Guys, every time look no Agiani nu bulkele tayel, I don't understand. I really don't know what's gonna happen. But so I'm here at Hamkuli to get maybe an advice what must happen with my tires, what kind of tires I'm using. Maybe they can give me an advice about this car. Maybe we need to change the rim, that's one. So I'm gonna go in there. But I thought maybe before I talk to these guys, nimjela yi encounter learning na kukwan MJ Hlongwane, you know. As you've seen, when what say already develop sending the RIP, the condolences, you know, why I seen kukwan MJ Hlongwane. May he so rest in peace. Mara mina ibe nkateko kulkumangop wakubani nitukumani nhlangene MJ Hlongwane, you know, Nkanelo Gingirkani. For those who haven't seen the video, it's there on the channel. You can check it out. So I wanted to tell you, Kuri, how did it happen? Kuri nahlangana MJ Hlongwane and then kumelele yini Kuri. So hila Hamkuli lawan ba busy nakulungisa timova tati khampani to hambana na wona loko na movha yela ku italungiswa kumbe service. You can also come to Hamkuli bakufuna. So masola ngile workshop lawani hele Hamkuli mara maybe shilava ntshame hansi swilo leswiwani ni kota ku mi byela kahle ku ri what happened kahle loko ni hlangane MJ Hlongwane. Let me tell you my story. It's gonna be a long video. We are taking over the executive office Hamkuli auto service Love Trend. Bakona la kambe le kwina la ngakone maraji.
Hamkuli auto services.
The Pons Shopping Center. Hey, jacket le maybe retamova yana mer monereka nervekwe. Let me put it here. Just for the sake of this video, guys, I'm gonna take off the mask. We are keeping safe with the condition of the Korokoro. So for those who are still with us, thank you guys for joining us here on Nkanelo Gingirkani. I really appreciate your time. I just have to warn you guys, the video it's going to be a long video. If you are not used to this kind of long videos, maybe you can click out, but I want to tell a story. It's a story of my encounter na MJ Hlongwane. Xitsonga musician, Xitsonga legend, Xitsonga music pioneer ka music wa Xitsonga, and he had a lot of impact ka music wa Xitsonga. They looked up to him. But la vulavula hi leswi swi nga humelela ku ni tikume ni hlangane na MJ Hlongwane. How did it happen and ku humelele yini? So when I was growing up akaya, well, I grew up Kamashangai, for those who don't know, but I mean abaranda music wa Xitsonga swinene. Despite the fact that avari part ya kuimbelela kumbe band ya kokwani Elias Baloyi, she used to listen to a lot of different sounds, ta music wa Xikaza and music wa Xitsonga for other people, because I know there's sensitivities about Xikaza, Xitsonga. But ni va na nkateko ku va ni hambanisa music lowu a va wu yingisela va MJ Hlongwane, va Richard Macheke, va Thomas Chauke, you know, va tele va Berman, Sam Sikiza Chauke, all those guys, and kokwani Elias Baloyi, of course, Makhubele, you know. But niven koko wa no kongo music wa kokwani MJ Hlongwane shivavula lero ni kuleni khano randa swinene. And nkarhi hinkwawo loko ku tlanga music kokwani MJ Hlongwane swi tala ku ntsundzuxa mana mina, may he soul rest in peace, may he soul rest in peace. So during lockdown loko humelela in March 2020 ni we are again, where I felt like maybe I can use this time to see if I can talk to some Xitsonga legend, but my main aim it was to talk to MJ Hlungwane. So after trying so many times MJ Hlungwane, people are fixing cars here, guys, so don't mind all the noise. So I approached one of his sons because Namativa Vanava Kukwan MJ Hlungwane, Va Botishi Hari, Va Trevor, Va Teletela Laban Mativa, so the Ben va text and Komla Gumin, Sanansana MJ Hlungwane, Vanjela, great. Papa, I ran to Kulala at the media, so Maraitaza, So then I kept calling Trevor and kept calling Babuchiari. Then Trevor one day came up with an answer. Are you still interested in that interview? Yeah, interested. I jumped. I'm like, yes, when can we do it? Tomorrow. Then he's like, okay, I'm going to give you his numbers and then you will talk to him. If he agrees, he agrees. If he doesn't agree, he doesn't agree because he doesn't like interviews. And then Trevor told me, go MJ, I ran the interviews because vanotala vazamazamile kula ku interview kumbe babula na bona ka radio ka TV even for mail because I ran the media. It doesn't like the spotlight emunola kuranda from the background, So if aku yizam kumshani ngafumela kuswana itikulere maybe he's more relaxed these days. Then if I called him and then he's like, hey man, did you want to hey pela ikabili wa niti TV sana kumimanda gingirkanda so you can't phone them dog nari busy and corner ile ambite ile queen ni phone am dog in the story shungwana na mundu ani phone futhi viki zerela na phone ebilat na viki letlandela ni phone futhi no mina lo ankhani mfonele phile ngahela ni serious ngovi makala ninga blah blah na ngona ku ala ku itshama hansi blah blah ivutomi bya n'wina la ka music wa Xitsonga siku ai nanguti masiku man loko ri na masiku i nga fika siku rin'wana loko sulera hi nga plana hi rona ri fika yi cinca yi kwa ya ha ri kona swi vona ku mara Trevor xi nga hebi ku kuma a nga swi rhani ku vulavula na ti-media. Then I kept trying and then that's what when I learned ku ri ka swa nkanelo wa gingirikani swa so a swi fanelangi u hela mbilu. You have to keep pushing all the time and then it's a lesson in life. Whatever you want to do in life, you have to keep pushing. So I kept pushing until he finally agreed. So when he agreed, my plan was to go ka Abulwini because that's my Abulwini Malamlele. Then nifamba na guitar mina ku anlava ku nifikana veka on the spot kuri va ndondisa na guitar yana va ndonsa style xa vona because he had a unique sound ka music wa Xitsonga. His sound was different, I ngakopeli munhu, and it was a very interesting kind of Xitsonga music. It was on its own, He was not competing with anyone. So I really liked it, and I liked the way he played the guitar. So I'm like, I'm gonna take the guitar with me. Looks like found na Abulwini. Kahlahla ano man kumele nisuke niyakava Vuruvai because Vuruvai tshama ka phaweni hala ka Xikundzu ni landa Vuruvai ivi loko ni driver na ka landa Vuruvai ivi ni ka ni fene ni vuya futhi ni vuya hala endzhaku ka Abulwini ya hala ka N'waxinyamani lo ni nga hembi. And then loko ni fika ka Malamulele loko hi ya ka phaweni na Vuruvai loko ni lande Vuruvai ka tata ku ni khomela phone because hi ni hat camera le Nhlangana Maraj ka Malamulele fa Arnold Chavi and Maraj was talking to me. I remember I let in because I told him Roma 12 or 11 and na Roma 2 already that time. So Maraj shin welelini abashukusha ka Capitec abisha ku ka FNB ana tuzuk. I didn't hear that guy what he was saying. Mina, I was focusing on the fact that I have an interview. I remember, I think Maraj alak fabana Mara because Mina, I was focusing on where I was going and I didn't listen to that guy. I feel like he mnyangela so na Chavi mnyangela. Then if he famba, if he no my Vuruvai. Yaka kukwane ngena kereke ya zesi and banoti yala. Wenga shabil mereke say if ka Ibrahim baso loko ifika da. Vuruvai shinga tuzu washa shabela nkukumba one mass. Look the man nga tuzu kukumela because ka the production ta media ka nyengulo ivaga chela vanhu swi kahle ku loko i va vhakachela especially kuma ku ya kuma information swi kahle ku va i nga fambi ximandlamandla. That's what I learned. So ni veni teka that lesson ku no man, let me get something like maybe ti-pint ta masi because munhu to rhandzela tiya na masi. Se ni famba ni fika ni nghena ka Shoprite kwala ka Malamulele ni fika ni xava ti-pint ta masi ta 6 ni nghena na to movini fika ni xi time xi kwati man xikhadzo yani ka munhu ti-pint ta masi. This guy was confused, he didn't understand. So hi fika le ka abulwini mara loko hi fika hi ve hi lahleka because a hi ku tivi ka vona. Hi fike hi vutisa swihlanganisiwa swo huma xikolweni ku hi kwini ka kokwani MJ Hlungwane, swihlanganisiwa swi vhele ku dumile laha tikweni ku hi le ka MJ Hlungwane. Then swi hi byela nghenani 200 that thing.
Yeah.
So this guy's actually fixing something in my car. So he's telling me the price.
It's 200 bucks.
It's 200 bucks.
I need to order it.
Okay, order it and we will talk.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, sure. So I'm replacing a part until makata tile, but they found out kuna problem. Well, you see, that's the beauty of coming to Hamkuli. Back check it more when kuri ye roadworthy in. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. These guys are really taking care of us. So if you look in Kenya la mountain, because if you kukuma, that's one of wow. Kuna kukwani ngwani ile kuneka neke kampahla la handle la. Then loko kuneke kampahla iko hi. Khala mi merin and then iza indawo ta ka hina. Anu stuku istiwe njani ku hi dada. Khala mi merin ngana kwala ndwini. Loko ngena la ndwini ayiri kona kukwani MJ ayiri kudeni. He was having lunch. Ikhakutlanga TV la, you know, he was also listening to radio at the same time. TV was mute and the radio ya Kamgana Lonene was loud. Akutlanga yona ikhanyisela mahungu. And then, but the TV was playing, and I think he was watching the music videos later, that gospel, like the channel later, one gospel and something. Then by Jericho, hey, someone asked Safana, same fikin. You know that guy, yeah, look, if you can, Milo when you can bad joke to go. You know, I feel like I thank God I can't remember what was the joke, but then I saw his last tooth, like the big one. I saw him laughing, like ha ha ha, and I was like, yeah, I got him. I got him. He's like, kasi mila inu ina kahle. Nuku kwa nina ifamba interview the artist le that tofana n'wina hi twisa ku ri rendzo ra n'wina ra vutomi a ri njhani hi kota ku dyondza swin'wana kwalaho. And inkanelo wa gingirikana swi le ka YouTube. YouTube nceni YouTube a yi tivi na YouTube. Hi, you go okay bafana mondranga heta kudya and then hita bula. Ivi loko a tshamini ni kokwani mo hi langutana laha handle ku ri location ya heta va hita shootela kwini a yi swi tiva ku location kokwana wa vanhu a yi swi twisisi yo okay famba ni lava kun'wana swin'wana na swin'wana ivi jikajika na munhu lowani hi kuma hala ndzhaku hala ku na kun'wana ku nga decorate nyana ku na misinya ku na mathayele ku decorate kahle ku sasekini kusuhi na fence so nuke mfurva maybe nga shootela lawa a ku na nhlikani vhela ku dyamba ri humile no. Then loko ni langutile ku mara loko hi cheka hi testa hi kuma ku na mindzutsi ni ku no man maybe it's not the right place. Then hi jikajika hi kuma ku a hi kumi ndhawu. Then loko a ri ku laveni kokwani liya xisati I think insati wa vona lava vo sungula lava va nga vulavula ka nkanelo wa gingirikana kokwani Hlungwane lava why mi nga dyi swakudya swa le mentini. You know, if you guys haven't watched the video, I think I'm gonna put it here. You can click on it. It's called Behind the Scenes with MJ Hlungwane. And you go ni mvekela swakudya le ndlwini famba ku na yindlu yin'wana, you know, yi hala tlhelo. Ku na tinhu to tala ka MJ ti tele tindlu letiya se hi nghenisiwa ka yindlu leyin'wana leyi ku na nhlikani a ku ri voma 1 se voma 2 yeah because we were late. Appointment ya hina a ku ri 12 o'clock and then hi fikile like almost 2 hours late. And I'm still ni hleta ku hayi kokwani lewa hi fika yi cinca mihleketo ka ya swi lava ku mixani se busy, you know, and plus pay munhu wo ti rhungela timpahla i munhu is a fashionista, you know. So loko nghena le ndlwini liya kuma ku hi dekeriwe swakudya, you know, ku swekiwe vuswa bya hisa na mati yo hlamba mavoko mo kufumela ma cheriwe na xisibinyana xa Somlight. Hey everybody hayi hi nga namuthisetiwini loko tshama laha kha hi dya na swi vona la ka wall man. Guess what ku hi xava yini? Hi xava hi muhori. A yi sweke muhori kokwani liya yi swekele muhori kokwani liya xisati ya naswona ku ya swibikweni ta muhori lowa ku na muhori yin'wani yi kuma ku ri mati. Guys loko mi sweka muhori la handle swi cheka murhi wu va wu ri na mithotonyana wo tiyanyana ku loko mina thota ko swi nga xipi na mavoko ende kokwalaho a swi bihe ndlela leyi a swi nandziha ngopfu swakudya leswiya then loko hi kha hi dya ni ku no man Vuruvai, this is the location cause a ni vone laha ka wall ya yindlu leya ku ri na ku khavisiwe hi ti-accolades ta vona ti-award ta leswi va ri na swona ti-trophy leswi va nga tshama swi receiver ka va Munghana Lonene different awards. So I was like, this is the place, this is our set, this is our set. So then we decided, and then I was like, kokwana look at the good look, kokwana ni hi kumi ndhawu and ni ready. I say, I'm ready. Look, say, like we vulavula na kokwana say, Mike, and he like to sungula the interview. Say, no, that's one. No man, it's dark, and again we don't have lights. Look, everyone, from check my light, I'm moving. When you go there, akuna my light, and see my light, and we're inside the house, and then it was dark. Because this is the interview I've been waiting for. You know, it's such an honor to be talking to MJ Hlongwane, MJ the man, Shivavula, one and only one, you know. So I couldn't miss this opportunity. And this was a big fuck up. So it's a big fuck up. So I was like, okay, fine. We don't have lights. That's what Vuruvai said. We only had one small light and I think enough, it was dark. So the planning. I pull in my festere. So we actually used natural light. I shoot a video there. MJ Hlongwane. If you watch the interview, somewhere here. I don't know. You're gonna click on it. It's a part 1 and part 2. And can brosana yona. Then shoot marloguru shoot and kufika kokwane when I'm kalaja. You lay your chinga, no, you can't chinga in British Africans la. You can honor swilo. You can honor swilo. Genan. Sorry, we hijacked the office. EMD la boy. He the MD. So ivi loko hi heta ku pfulapfula mafestere se hi va na sunlight vhele ku fika kokwana leyo chinga leyo ba Afrikaans ya ivi ni swi vona ku hala yi fika yi kha rasa like ya hi le ka mina laha i muti wa mina lowu mina ri hi la ku holova this is kasi no man hi leswi yi tshamisaka swona kokwana liya se kokwana MJ yi ni byela ku no man hi ndlela ni nga ri mi ba yona ivi mina ni ta shifta ku ri ku ta ku tsakanyana ku na interview wini se yi ni coacha kokwana MJ ni ku okay hi na respect kokwana MJ Hlongwane man a ku ri munhu wa respect man, may he so rest in peace guys, we are really honoring him. So yi ni byela ku no man interview wani burisana na yona ku tota ku tsaka mbili yona yi tawa ku mi nga tila ka vona mi nga vulavula impela yi vula swona ku hayi na nghena la swa boha ni nghena ivi impela yi nghena ka set yi tshama xitulwini ni go okay kokwana a vulavuleni mina a ni plane ku hi ta fika hi ndlela nga ri hi le ku recordeni loko yi vulavula na Vuruvai, you guys can watch that video again. Na swi vona ku nga ri yi na speech kokwana leyiwani yi na points ni ku hi Vuruvai let's roll the video. Vuruvai xi rolla ivi hi vulavula na yona kha yi chinga na swona ku yeah, this is content because our plan a ku ri ku I love ku na behind the scenes that interview mara the behind the scenes ta kona a ku ri laha mina a ni te ni lava ku dyondzisiwa guitar a ku ta ku ri mina na kokwana MJ kha ni kombisa ku ri guitar yi tlangiwa njhani xitayi xa yona xi famba njhani and then ni swi kuma ku ni rivele malayithi ni rivele na guitar so swi kuma ku that plan yi ve yi fa yi nga ha ri kona se then hi ve hi ti kuma hi tirhise part leya kokwana leya kokwana Hlongwane leya yo ba Afrikaans mukhalabye leya na kokwana wa xisati nsati wa kokwana MJ Hlongwane I think is wife number 1 i vanhu va misawu swinene swa ku ndyangu luwa wu tele vanhu va misawu swinene so and it's a big family, you know, mara va kotana I think ndyangu luwa va twisisana ku man minor character so we understand each other, you know, and I wish most families could be like that because when I talk about myself, I mean, I don't come from that kind of a family, you know. It's a family that is there. So, you know, to see a family that is so united in that way, for me, it was something else, you know. It's a big point, you know. It was a big point for me, the value of having a family, you know, in that way. And then finally we started talking, and then I was shocked when I was talking to Kukwan MJ Hlungwane to realize Guru, this man, I don't know what he saw in me. Guru, he was so open to me. Because mina randa before ni n'wi vutisa ku ri okay ni ta mi vutisa swivutiso swa so na so na so are you comfortable na yi ku hayi vutisa swin'wana na swin'wana yi tlhela yi ku hayi vutisa swin'wana na swin'wana zonke nyakanyaka ni ku okay kokwani okay ni ta mi vutisa na swin'wana mi ta tlhela yi ku hayi vutisa xin'wana na xin'wana. So I was shocked ku ri this guy, he was so open to me, you know. After I heard ku ri I ran the interviews, I ran the interviewiwa because loko ni checking I feel the current ku hava munhu la nga tshama a interviewer swi nga kona even on the internet. I don't know if swi kona mani tshama swi vona kun'wana unless ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. So it was a big blessing for me. That's why I felt like wow, this is a moment. And then when I went in, because I had done some research, and thank very much to Trevor, one of his sons. Yeah, he helped me a lot, but the research was done. I couldn't research because she would say some were uncomfortable, but some were shocking. Hey, you know, but it was too open, and then I child blah blah. So I mean, look blah blah. He partly blah blah. Loko you've got the late Norman Matebula, Lokwari recording Gaswinwana la a Johnny sort of recording. So let's watch and you know when he spoke about the disagreement that are corner between the rivalries, that are corner those big artists that are corner Karale, even though he didn't mention the name. So he didn't mention the name on purpose, but he said it, you know, it's on record, it's there. I could not these things because I was asking him about the things that they beef I was on Dana, you know, because right now music in different kind of music genres and I asked that question and I did answer. It's not something new, and I also noticed he was a big artist, especially La Bush, Bush. MJ Hlungwane was a big artist. I just wished he could get a big send off that he deserved, because we can never have a man who is so honest, who is so God-fearing, you know, and who is so creative, because the artists they were not only artists per se, they were musicians, you know. These people could play chords and they could create melodies with the instruments. They could come up with lines, catchy phrases, you know, that will make a song, you know, redo my loka uri jalene, you know, loka ri jalene you know, those kind of lines, you know. Tikura kahle halaka ina kamla mulaka yo kamala mlele, you know, those kind of lines. Kufanele ni randa nguraku mi ta famba yini leswi milelako hi movha mi nge fiki agaza nkulo, you know, those lines, man, it's creative and akukoperiwi munhu lani. So swilo leswi kuma ku loko cheka music wa xigaza right now, it's lacking. Unfortunately, it's lacking. Logo munhu endla hit sweswiwani ku tekiwa part liya ivi yi fika yi damarhetiwa yi endliwa a copy and paste. People just want to create the same thing, you know. Why do people copy other people, especially if you want to be different, you know? So I just feel like I wish Kukwan MJ could have a big send off that he deserves, because he deserves it. Unfortunately, because under the regulations that lockdown, we can't be there, you know. I can't be there physically. I would really love to be there, because I mean, it's Saturday, Friday, Friday is, today is Wednesday, ne? Today is Tuesday. Yeah, this video is recorded on Tuesday. Today is the 26th of January, so it's going to be buried on Friday, which is going to be the 27th or 28th. So I just wished I could be there, you know, to say my goodbyes, because akavona vana va MJ Hlungwane, they call me ku mina ni munghana wa papa vona, and kokwana MJ Hlungwane is, I mean, he's too old. He's like, I don't know, maybe he's the same age as my dad. You know, but he was my big friend, you know. Kokwana I used to go take a phone in fonela, and the login fonela I ain't phone in Rio, I ain't phone in Nangamu. You know, I think for Nangabu, we show to a you know. So that made it become it's no longer a man like I interview MJ Hlungwane. It's now a family. It's like a friendship that developed because of that, you know, and also the fact that maybe you realize in you know. So I don't know if I'm making sense, but you guys will understand what kind of a man he was. Look, mo cheka embele imbareni, embele ite yorunga. So was wona ku na the picture leti nga kona ka ti social media. Wa vona ku imbale njani. Akuri munhu wo rhandza fashion. Akuri munhu wo rhandza ku ti khavisa. Cause loko hi fika la ka vona a yi nga mbarisanga swona leswi mi nga hi vonisa swona la. Loko se hi set up swa hina yi ve yi huma ivi yi tlhe yi vuya yi cincile. Yi veke psi ku hey like yeah, this is an artist, you know. And the leswi swi xotaku masiku lama ka ti artist masiku lamawani ku ri people just go and perform it, they skip us at the direction, you know, the vest. I don't know if unless if it's kind of your style, but when performance, you don't have to wear a lot of expensive clothes. Like he didn't wear expensive clothes, but akurumula and the effort at least kuri. As a musician or an artist, a creative, because he was not only just a singer, he was a creative. Can you imagine if someone is a tailor like that and he's a musician like that, you know?
He had his own image.
And he had his own image, like Maraj is saying. So, and it's such I mean, look, maybe got a recent artist, like Papa Penny, image. He's got this imaging that is so powerful that even though it will be difficult because of that ponytail will always remind you, you know. It's not only the music that sounds the same, even the people look the same. Everyone want to look like Mr. Pau, everyone want to sound like Ben Maingani, everyone want to sound like Mr. Post, you know. Why can't people come up with their own styles, you know? And that's what people should be learning from this old or former big pioneers that music was song. I'm not sure if they are learning. So I just want to say, guys, social media section kuvan fambini na hlangana na vona ku MJ Hlungwane a swi nga ri easy, a swi nga olovi, a swi tika, mara because when you were persistent swi endle ku ri interview kumbe chat humela, because I don't like calling them interviews. I actually call them interviews because of you guys. Mara mi ku ya mina, it's not an interview, it's a chat. I have chat with these people. If you check the interview or the chat, you see, oh boy, you look bullying. Question answer, question no, you look bullying, look shaky, you know, those kind of things. So, because of the fact that people are busy here, it's an office, you know. So, I think we need to wrap it up. But yeah, we just want to thank Hampuli for granting us this opportunity. But they're servicing cars. If you also have a car that you want to service, you can come through La Median. It's called the Pond Shopping Center, La Midrand, Boulder Small. Mitamta service at the Movitangwina. Some hlayisekile la mapatwini hi ku ka fambiwa hi 2020 tena swi ku tempula, you know, ku na ti khorokhoro swi tele ngolo swi vanhu ma nga fambeni swona. So make sure that at least you are safe, na mina ni nga bulukela thayele ivi ni ta va ni ta kuma ti advices haleni ka Hampuli. So guys, thank you very much for joining me on Kanola Gingirikani. My name is Legere. Ni kani kusomiwe ni nganiwe ku me qoqotho ku tshwere ke dinyora. I'm thirsty ni totora. Salute. Don't forget to subscribe.